Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is Puto Flan. Yes, that's right. So today we will be making another version of puto, but this time we're going to add leche flan on it. I know you guys are excited, so I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let's check out the ingredients. All-purpose flour, egg whites, white sugar, baking powder, evaporated milk, condensed milk, egg yolks, and vanilla extract. You like watching this video, please don't forget to like and share. And if you have any comments or any suggestion or any recipe requests that you want me to prepare next time, you can just type in below. And if you wanted to check out the complete recipe details, just check on this video description. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that little bell so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And in case you wanted to check out MassFlex cookware and kitchenware products, I will put a link on this video description as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye! Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.